Alright, we're back again. I clean all the muck off these parts because they're definitely filthy. And there's a carburetor. Guess I should have cleaned that off too while I was at it. But we'll just do one of these here real quickie. Okay, I want to make sure the O-ring on here is good. This O-ring appears to be very old. Not much holding power left on that thing. Look how flat it looks. Not good. My guess is this one's probably just about as bad. People know their bikes run like crap. To fix the air leaks makes a big difference. And this one here looks like they might have replaced it recently. It still looks a little bit round. And it still has some compressibility where you put your thumbnail in it. So this one I think is still good. This one here, I don't know. Big flat spot in it too. I'm going to go ahead and replace this one. I think I got one. So I'll be back.